the door, beautiful. I'll be gentle with you. Shoes so smelly. Is there a man living in there? So itchy, these damn cockroaches. I'm terrified of the dark. Why is this dog still chasing me? Holy crap, a ghost!
Get out of my house!
My eyes are burning! Holy crap, a ghost!
He's the pervert. See if you still dare call me a ghost.